Hey guys, if you want to change your KuCoin password that you have set for your account, then this video is for you. First, you just need to enter to your KuCoin application. Then at the top left corner you will find your profile icon. You can simply tap on it. Now here you will find security option. Tap on security option, and the very beginning you will find the login password, and here you will find the change text prompted. So you can just tap on it to change your password. Here you can see I am right now on the change password section where I can simply change the password. So for that I must need to enter the old password correctly to allow the changes on my security section on this account. For example, if I want to change it, then I have to enter the old password. Then after the old password, we can just type for the new password that we want to set, and then we have to confirm the new password that we have entered the password correctly. So make sure you have combined the password with letters and special symbols and with numbers, and it must need to be in minimum 8 characters to highest then to maximum 20 characters. So you can just combine it to make it much stronger to keep secure your account. So that's how. Then after completing all these three blank correctly, you can find this change button light up, and you can just tap on change, and it may send you some OTP, some code on your Gmail and your phone number that you have associated or linked with your account. Then you have to verify it with this code, and you can just simply change your password, and you will get alert mail on your Gmail that you have or someone have, or somehow your account password has been changed. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.